Good morning. Yeah, these are glued on, but it's all right. We'll just cry about it. Seems like it's cemented on there. On the bright side, the only glue is right on the top, so that's good. I lied. It just peeled off right here. Son of a gun. As long as I'm not ripping up paint, it's kind of all I care about. I'm hoping that since it's cold, these paddings are just gonna fall right off the paint, right? That's what's gonna happen, right? Please tell me that's what's gonna happen. Because the tailgate was quite literally a nightmare. God, this is gonna look so much better. Oh my God, did they use liquid cement for this? What the? All right. Okay, now I gotta peel all of that. All right, I'm gonna take this to the car wash and I'm gonna try to see if I can pressure wash that glue off so I don't hurt my dainty little fingers. All right, I'm gonna spray this sucker down with the old goof off. Just hit it with that, and then I'm gonna hit it with the pressure washer, pressure wash this out. Ooh, she's gonna look good, boys, she's gonna look good. Dent's my favorite truck. Cleaned out the bed, got it all nice and clean. It's clean under there. A couple like rust spots, not like rusted through, but surface rust from a piece of metal laying on the paint like over there. But anyway, I'm cleaning and I pull this out and I'm throwing it here and I see this. And I'm just kind of keep spraying, I don't know, right? And then all of a sudden I sprayed over it and I see what looks like a piece of, like a bill. $50 bill. Winning. Yeah, still doing this. This side looks so much better than that. And then over here, I need a buffing wheel and just go to town on this bedside. All right, got the foam installed. So we're good there. I gotta put the top on, and I'll put the side rails connected to the top, then we'll tighten them down, and then will show you how it looks. All right, got the cover on. I gotta click this side in. It's kind of not fitting quite right, but that's what you get for buying the cheap one, and that's okay. And then we're gonna put on the clamps. Yep,